go. So now what you want to do here is you want to give yourself a nice hefty amount of Greek yogurt. I would say go 1 cup. Okay. I'm gonna grab some fruits that I've pre-washed already. Okay. I'm gonna move these out of the way. I'm gonna move this out of the way. So we're still staying focused, right? Okay. Let me grab some nuts. Okay guys, very simple. I'm gonna get myself another spoon, okay? And now, if I really wanna be creative or if I really wanna be accurate, I'm gonna go in here and I'm just gonna scoop up a 1/2 cup. Let's say someone's like, oh my gosh, I wanna be accurate. There's a 1/2 cup. I'm gonna go boom. So once I measure my first one, okay, there's 1/2 cup. Let's go more. So we don't need this no more, okay? We're gonna go with a full container, okay? So that's about 3/4 cup worth, just put a little bit more. I'm gonna grab some cinnamon as well. So there's 1. I'm still under 30 minutes, guys. This is unbelievable. The rest of this is just cooking and then doing whatever I gotta do, answering an email, watching TV, spending time with the kids, the wife, okay? Boom, number 2. And now this is a hefty snack because remember, you're getting 18 grams of protein per container. As a snack for a male or female, that's a great amount of size of protein for that meal. So remember I told you guys about the Legos and the building blocks? You got your protein, okay? We're gonna go to carb. Now again, if you wanna measure out a 1/2 cup of fruit, I can take a mixture of berries, I can take a mixture of blueberries. So there's about 1/2 cup, okay? I'm gonna pour that on top and I'm gonna be good. Now what I can also do is I can just use some of these without putting the fruit in. So depending on what time of the day it is, if it's gonna be a late night snack, or if you're not really sure when you're gonna have it, you can just have it with that on its own, okay? Let me grab some cinnamon. Cinnamon over here. Okay, you can also grab some honey if you like. I'm gonna make these ones be really, really nice and lean. Okay, load up the cinnamon. Cinnamon is a thermogenic spice, so it'll help speed up your metabolism. You can also boil cinnamon sticks with water, let it cool down and drink it to really firm up your metabolism. It smells amazing. So again, I'm gonna put one of these in here. That's just under a 1/2 cup of carbohydrate, your fruits. I got my protein in the 3/4 cup. I got my cinnamon, and to finish it off, we're gonna talk about using a 1/4 cup of nuts. So if that's 1 cup, that's a 1/4 cup worth, about a thumb's worth. And I can just pour this on top. Okay, I'll do one again. So I'll chop up this. So when people are worried about having fruit, look, you can take 2 strawberries and just dice them up into pieces. So instead of being worried about having a lot of fruit, you're in control of how much fruit you're having versus buying these in the store where they come full of sugar, full of the cheap ingredients, full of honey, and all these sweeteners you can't see. Okay? And I'm eyeing this out, guys. I'm eyeing it out. I've already seen what a 1/4 cup looks like. And there you go. Okay? So this one is gonna be the one that, so there you go. Check out these protein meals. I got 1 snack there full of protein, Greek yogurt, fruits, cinnamon, and nuts. I got my salmon ready to go in the oven. I can wrap this up in tin foil. I can bake it on the barbecue. I can put it in the oven if I want to. I got my delicious chicken thighs ready to go in a different marination. We got some mayonnaise in here, some onions. We have some mustard. We got some Greek spicing. We have the egg omelet in bulk. Again, this is gonna be baked into small egg muffin trays and put in the oven. I got my tuna mix ready to go. So here's an example. If you want to have this for breakfast and you're someone that wants to lose 40 pounds, you're endomorphic, you do not do really well with carbohydrates, you can take this, you can either wrap them in a lettuce wrap, you can get some peppers, some green, red, yellow peppers, chop them in slices. You can put these inside. You can wrap them in pita. You can put them in a slice of bread for the kids. And we also have our red meat right over there. So if I stop the timer right now and I look, I have 10 minutes remaining. So I believe that was a 20-minute food prep of proteins that are gonna last me for minimum 3 to 4 days. I'm gonna put these in the oven. I'm gonna start getting these ready to go. I'm not gonna give you none because you're not here. It's gonna be for me, my family, my videographer. But if you have questions, send me an email. Remember, when it comes to health and fitness, your attitude is everything in what you do. If you fail to try to attempt to food prep, you will fail to see the results that you wanna get. But if you try it out on a one weekend and you only manage to get this much done, the next weekend you add a little bit more and you get the family involved, you have people coming over and you do together, it's gonna become a regular routine, which in essence should only take you 1 hour. My name is Coach Dimitri. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Share it with any friends and family, and we'll check you out in a few minutes once it's cooked.